So I've turned out the lights so that you can see what's on the scope nice and clearly. What we've got here is our relay coil, piece of paper, and then the magnet over there. Okay, and this is a clock, a quartz clock. And I can actually sense it ticking with that lying on it. So here, at 1 second per division, we can actually see the vibrations. That's 30 millivolts, so it's 10 millivolts per division. So those pulses that we're reading of 30 millivolts are the ticks of the clock. We can actually detect the vibrations of the clock ticking with this magnet and this coil. In fact, if I tap it, you can see it over there. It's very, very sensitive. So that sharp little tick as the motor moves the hands inside the clock, we're actually detecting it, because this has inertia, the magnet has inertia, and we got the paper, which is a flexible spacer, and then the coil, which moves because it's been shaken by the clock as it ticks. It is a tiny movement, but we're actually able to detect it, and you can see it clearly on the scope. It's a fascinating experiment. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Can you listen to a clock ticking using a sensor? And the answer is yes. That's how you do it. So take care, have an awesome day further, and I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.